Hey ladies, are you 45 and older and feeling financially behind? And you're wondering, is it too late for me? Will I ever be able to catch up? Well, girl, you are in the right place today. Today we're talking about 5 things you can start doing right now if you have little to no retirement savings. These will be simple, easy steps to understand, and they're designed to help you build up momentum starting today. Hi, I'm Dion of Dee-Lightful Wealth Creation, and I paid off 60,000 in debt, which included credit cards, student loans, car loan, and even the IRS. And I just want to encourage you to let you know that it is not too late and you are not alone. So let's dive in. Step 1. Before you can change anything, you have to know where you stand. I know it is scary sometimes to really see what's going on with your money. I've been there too. But knowledge is power, and we need you to use your power. So, number one, you're going to write down exactly what you own. Own, meaning your savings, any assets that you may have, including your income. Secondly, you're going to write down what you owe. I want you to look at your debts, your loans, your credit cards. Thirdly, I want you to know your monthly expenses. I mean, every dollar. You're going to take a look at your online banking, look at your bank statements, and see where every cent that you make, see where it's going. Now, once you have your numbers, you can start building from a solid ground foundation instead of guessing and hoping you get it right. Clarity equals confidence. And to help you do this easily, I've created a free tool just for you. It's my 7-day financial clarity starter kit. It's in the description box, linked in the description box below. And in 10 minutes or less, you will have a snapshot of your financial picture. So grab it and let's work through it together. Step 2, find your leaks, find your money leaks and patch them. Look at every bill, every subscription, every little expense, and ask yourself, does this help or hurt my financial future? Cancel things you don't absolutely need, like cancel them. Okay? Then negotiate your bills. You'd be amazed how many companies are willing to reduce your rate if you just ask them. Thirdly, shift spending toward things that create stability and peace, not just temporary quick comfort. So no more emotional shopping to patch a pain and then you cry about the debt or the credit card bill that you owe later. Focus on spending on things that create stability and peace for your life. Small leaks sink big ships. So you're trying to patch them. So this isn't about deprivation. This is about making room for your dreams. Step 3, you're going to start a mini emergency fund. So before we talk retirement, we need to have some kind of safety net. And I know emergency fund is they always say to have like $1,000 minimum. And I agree with it, but you can also start with a mini emergency fund because emergencies will come and a credit card will only trap you further and deeper in debt. So let's not fall for that little trap. And so we're going to start with just $500. Yes, just $500. So how are you going to come up with this $500? You're probably saying to yourself, I have so many bills, I'm already overwhelmed. How can I come up with it? First, you're going to sell a few things around the house that you are no longer using, things that are in great condition that you can resell and make some money off of it. You can also pick up a small side hustle, work an extra shift, work a little overtime, and save that overtime money towards your $500. And then you can save from every paycheck. I don't care if it's even $10. So the money that you make from the 3 things that I've mentioned, you're going to put them in a high yield savings account and get your $500. So once you have your mini emergency fund, you will breathe a whole lot easier knowing that your retirement money. You won't have to dip into that to take care of these different emergencies. I shared in a video where I talked about the mistakes that I made in my 40s and early 50s, where I dipped into my retirement. I took the money out to pay off debt and ended up right back in debt. So you don't want to be in that same situation. So create your mini emergency fund. This emergency fund creates security, and security comes before growth. Step 4, now that you have a little breathing room, now that you have your mini emergency fund, you can now start to focus on planting your future. Now, hopefully, if you are employed, you and your employer provides a 401k or 403b, hopefully you're participating in that. Now, in addition to that, step 1, you're going to open up a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA if you don't already have one. And an IRA is an individual retirement account. The Roth IRA is money that is already taxed. So when you retire, that money is tax-free when you withdraw it. The traditional IRA helps save on the taxes that you pay each year because you're able to put money in and you'll pay the tax later in retirement. You will open up these IRAs in a brokerage account, just like the brokerage account that you may have your 401k or 403b in, such as Vanguard or Fidelity or Charles Schwab. And there are some of these funds where you can start with as little as $25. And you need to set this up automatically monthly to be deducted from your savings account or your checking account, even if it's just small at first. It's not about the amount, it's about the consistency and building this habit of paying yourself first. You have to remember that you are investing in yourself. Say to yourself, I am investing in me. Start small, stay steady, and grow big. I promise you, the future you will be so proud that you started this. Finally, step 5. Make a simple plan and stick to it. Stay focused. So you're going to pay yourself first before bills, before shopping, before anything else. You're going to figure out from your budget how much you're going to put aside in your high yield savings account and pay yourself first. Next, you're going to focus on your progress, not perfection. You will make mistakes along the way. I have made them. I've shared that in previous videos, and I still make them. But I continue to focus on progress, not perfection. As long as I keep moving forward, things will improve and I will transform my life, and so will you. And I want you to celebrate every small win. If you saved an extra $50 this month, if you paid off a $500 credit card bill, those are small wins that are worth celebrating. Once you have these small wins, you need to remain motivated. Celebrate them. Be proud of yourself. Don't treat yourself by spending on something, but celebrate how you are creating a better future for yourself and keep moving forward. Stay focused and stay on the journey. Stay on the path. Most importantly, I need you to tune out the noise and the negativity. There will be people out there that will say to you, it is too late. You're too late. You've missed your opportunity. I did in a video where I talked about things that I regretted doing, like mistakes that I've made in my 40s and 50s. And one of them was sharing my big dreams and my ideas and my goals with everyone. You cannot do that. So just tune out the noise and the negativity. Stay focused on your path. When these people tell you that you are too late, they are wrong. You are right on time because you are showing up right now. It's your journey, your pace, it's your power. So ladies, I'm right here with you. I'm walking this journey too, rebuilding every day step by step. So if you're ready to take control of your money and your life, download your free 7-day financial clarity starter kit. It's in the link below. Please subscribe to the channel, Dee-Lightful Wealth Creation, for more practical steps, encouragement, and community where women 45 and over are encouraging each other and lifting each other up. And comment below. Tell me one step that you're going to take starting today, and I can't wait to cheer you on. Remember, it is never too late to build the life that you love. It's never too late to reach the goals and plans that you have envisioned for your life. I'm right here with you, and let's take this journey together. Until next time, take care.